If you want to clear cache on iPhone 17e, then unfortunately there is no dedicated option, setting, button, or anything like that that would allow you to just simply remove cache from a specific app. Unfortunately, on iPhone 17e, if you want to clear cache from an app, you just have to completely uninstall the app from your phone and then install it again, which is of course inconvenient to do because usually if you uninstall an app and then install it again, you have to set it up again and so on and so forth. But this is how we can get rid of cache, and this seems to be the only way. There is one exception. We can clear cache from the Safari browser. It seems that Safari browser has the option that allows us to clear cache. So if you want to do that, you want to open the settings, scroll down and proceed to apps. And then in here, we should be able to find Safari. There we go. Now over here in Safari, we need to keep scrolling down until we find the history and website data. Then you should be able to find clear history and website data. So we're gonna proceed over here. You should be able to choose the time frame. And although it says that we clear the history, this also includes, of course, the website data as it mentioned, and this also includes cache. And that is all we can do on iPhone 17e. Leave a like and subscribe.